Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to purchase items in the Cider application. To purchase items in the Cider app, first of all, download and open up the Cider application and log into your account first. Once you're inside the main homepage after logging in, explore through the categories and find the item you want to purchase. After selecting one of the categories, choose the outfit you want to buy from the list. Tap on the outfit and then you will be taken to this page. From here, you can browse through the item's description, select the size of the item, make sure you choose the size properly and then click on Add to Bag. After you add the item to the bag, go to the top right section and tap on the bag icon. From here, you can go ahead and enter a promo code or gift card if available in the text box at the top where it says Add Promo Code. If you want to apply the promo code, type it down in the text box and tap on Apply right next to the box. If you just want to check out without the promo code or coupons, simply tap on Checkout at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to enter some of the details such as your country, contact information, shipping address, and so on. Make sure you carefully write those information down. After typing down all of the information, click on Save Address and then tap on the Checkout button at the bottom. On the next page, go ahead and select your shipping method and click on Place Order at the bottom. Now, you'll need to choose your payment method. Select how you'd like to pay for the product. You can choose credit or debit card option, PayPal, Cash App, Afterpay, or Klarna. I'm gonna choose a credit or debit card option. If you've done the same, you'll need to enter the details in the text boxes. Write down your card number, expiry date, security code, and finally click on the Pay button at the bottom of the screen once your information is correct. And right after you do that, you will be able to purchase the item in the Cider app. Once the order has been placed, you can track your order easily via the app instantly. Shipping times may vary by product type and location, especially for pre-orders or international orders. And just like that, you will be able to make a purchase on Cider application. If needed, you can also submit a return request within 14 days of receiving your order. Return the item within 7 days of that submission to qualify for a refund. Purchasing through the Cider app is designed to feel seamless and curated from sign up to delivery. By following this step, you'll navigate the process confidently and be better equipped to manage sizing, shipping, and returns. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.